Alright, so I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the Vortex Venom Red Dot optic for my pistol. You can use it on ARs and wood as well, but let's say on a pistol. So open it up. Comes with a Glock MOS, which is the modular optic system kit, because that's what I ordered it for. A little manual and a lens cleaner. You got the optic itself. So here's the actual optic. It's a little guy. Comes with a cover, an adapter plate that would go on a rail, which I won't need. Comes with the battery. I don't know if you can see it, there's 3 little screws, a tool, another tool. This one's for the star bit, the specialty ones that have the post in the middle, and then this is just a flat head. It says Vortex on it, it's kind of neat. And there's 3 little screws in there that would be for this adapter plate, but I'll leave them in there because I won't need that. Okay, so here's the optic. Turn it on. Nope, probably need to put a battery in it first, that would make sense. So on this one of the reasons I chose this over some of the competitors, one was the price point. And Vortex's warranty was significantly better than others, because basically if you smash it, run over it, do whatever, as long as you can send the majority of the parts back, they'll send you a new one. And that's awesome. Really wrap this battery up. Okay. This is a CR1632 3-volt battery. But what I was starting to say, that this battery cap is on top of the optic, opposed to underneath or in an area where I would have to remove the optic from the gun to change out the battery, which would be a problem with keeping it zeroed for what I use it for. Okay. There, turned on. I don't know if you'll be able to see it on the camera or not. But so I'll be mounting it to my Gen 517. Should clear. I already have, with the Glock MOS, I already took the plate off and have the correct plate on here. And it'll sit on just like so. I'm going to get a raised front post. So I'll pull out my little MOS kit they sent with it. And there's just a quick overview of how I put it on. I'll pull it out, pull it back off, and put Loctite on it and such. But that's what it looks like on there. I did a test and evaluation of the optic before I actually bought one, and I put it through the ringer. Being able to cycle your slide off of the optic is important. I know some people, when comparing it to the RMR from Trijicon, which is significantly more expensive, said that they have this lens cover is more likely to break because there's less material there, and like I said, I can grab my optic and use it, run it, and be pretty rough with it, and I don't have any issues. And then if it even did come up and were to break in a major malfunction, then again I can send it to Vortex and get it replaced. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. Just pretty simple. Thank you.